The Kalantis is one of our more modern looking designs from the Freedom Range. A narrow, 2-storey, 4-bedroom design with a study and parents' retreat on the upper level. This design offers plenty of room for growing families without taking up too much block space. The Kalantis has a skillion style roof and includes a veranda off the parents' retreat and an open pergola at the rear of the house. Select from one of our many standard designs, change anything you want, or guess what? We can design your dream home from scratch. We offer a full home design service. In fact, we rarely sell a kit that hasn't had changes made to the design. Everyone has different needs and wants, and we welcome any changes. After all, it's your dream home, not ours. Let us design your new home. You'll be amazed how flexible we really are.